Are you looking for a way to make money online without having to worry about traffic and costs? Ebooks could be the answer. Have you ever heard others talk about ebooks and thought, how do I even get started? Well, in this video, we'll discuss the key steps to successfully publishing your first ebook and earning money from it. We will cover how to get started and everything that entails, ranging from how to choose a topic, how long it should be, and how much you should charge per ebook. In addition, we will talk about how much money you can earn from ebooks. But before we get started, why not subscribe for more weekly videos on ways you can earn money online? What is an ebook? An ebook is a digital book that can be read in a digital format that can't be changed, should be reflowable, and may be read on digital devices including dedicated e-readers, smartphones, desktop computers, and tablets. Ebooks should also be reflowable, which means they adapt to the user's screen. Today, ebooks are popular among internet marketers for two primary reasons. They're convenient and affordable. Firstly, they assist in generating new leads. You may use email marketing to market to fresh customers and persuade them to buy by providing an ebook download in exchange for their email address. Every time someone downloads your ebook, you create a new potential customer by turning a website browser into a named prospect. Because ebooks do not require the use of paper, they are frequently quicker to produce than hard copy items. Secondly, they showcase expertise. Ebooks may help your business establish itself as a knowledge leader in your field of expertise. Instead of merely stating that you are a thought leader, you may demonstrate your knowledge by providing in-depth information. How to get started in ebooks. Choose your ebook subject and target your material to your audience. You should know your target audience well before writing your ebook. What are their concerns and how can you help them? When writing about business, start by considering your ideal consumers and choosing themes that address their most pressing concerns. They'll be more inclined to download your ebook and get value from the information if you address directly to your audience's demands. And they'll start to view you as a knowledge leader. Outline your ebook chapters. After you've chosen a topic, begin drawing out your outline. Consider your ebook to be a short course on your subject that is designed for people with a basic to intermediate level of expertise in it. Make a list of chapter titles for your outline to define what each section will include. It might be beneficial to distinguish subsections to ensure that you cover all essential information. A more thorough outline also aids writers and editors who work on your book in understanding your meaning. Remember to favor quality over quantity when writing your ebook. Some books only have 3 to 5 chapters, but they still succeed in their objectives. Others may need hundreds of pages to do the job. Write as much as is necessary, but don't feel obliged to pad your book for length reasons. Find an ebook writer. Ebook writing is a highly specialized craft, and most individuals require the help of professional ebook writers. You want someone with long-form content writing expertise, as well as solid grasp of your field. Your author should be able to adapt the style of your material, whether informal or more formal. You can rely on an ebook writer to complete your project on time rather than putting writing on your to-do list. Provide the writer with guidelines. If you are outsourcing the writing, provide as much information as possible to your writer so that the content development process will be easier and you'll get a higher quality end product. Share your requirements with your writer, including any quotes or testimonies you want to include in the title and major chapter topics, as well as any other parameters. Provide any brand identity or visual instructions you have to ensure the writer's work is consistent with your voice and key messages. Write the introduction and description for your ebook as well. When you release and advertise your book, having a completed description will be beneficial. Get colorful. Because ebooks are largely visual in nature, your writer will benefit from having a clear picture of the visual components you want included. Be sure to select photos or icons for use in your book. Make a note if you need to have any charts, graphs, or callouts. Even if the design isn't perfect, having a clear vision for the final look and layout of your book will make the job of the writer much easier. Find an ebook designer. Another important member of your ebook production team is a professional designer. Even if you have excellent content, an unorganized style may jeopardize the usefulness of your book. That's why employing a designer with extensive experience in ebook formatting is critical. Convert the ebook to the right file type. You may store your ebook in one of several file types, some of which are more versatile than others. Look into which is the most beneficial for your publishing venue. Choose your publishing venues. If you're producing an ebook to increase your subscriber list and attract new leads, consider publishing it on your website instead of using a third-party platform. Considering using Google Play Books, iBooks, Apple, or Kobo Writing Life if you want to publish your book on a commercial online venue. Look for publications or content aggregator services that enable readers to download thought leadership material in exchange for their emails if you're looking for methods to generate leads. Publish your ebook and share it with everyone. You've arrived at an important junction in your ebook expedition. When you click publish, it's a done deal. Your ebook is now accessible to people all around the world. This is a moment to rejoice, but you must now move on to the next stage and promote your ebook in order to increase its audience. Here are some tried and true techniques for growing your email list with ebooks, as well as generating new leads and downloads. Marketing. Create a dedicated landing page. Don't bury your book on your website. With a distinctive landing page, you can make it stand out. The goal of your landing page should be to entice readers to read your book by clearly demonstrating its value. Your landing page should also make it simple for visitors to purchase or download your book with a few clicks. Promote your landing page on your website, in blog articles, on social media, and anywhere else you can discuss about your ebook to increase sales. A well-designed landing page with the proper layout and imagery is crucial to the success of your ebook. That is why you should engage a professional web designer to create your landing page. To make sure your website meets your expectations, provide your web designer with your brand standards and the ebook for his or her reference. Marketing is critical if you want to get your ebook noticed. While you may believe that publishing is the end of your ebook journey, it's really the beginning of a new chapter for your material. To keep readers, you must actively promote your book across several platforms. Begin with a professionally created landing page that you can distribute on social media, email, and more. Reuse your ebook material in blog posts, videos, live streams, podcasts, placed articles, or training courses. The more you advertise your ebook, the more people you'll be able to reach with your ideas. How long should it be? A typical non-fiction book is about 50,000 to 75,000 words long, which is roughly 153 to 230 ebook pages. A minimum tally for a non-fiction book is 10,000 words, as long as the material is sound. The typical fiction book is approximately 80,000 to 100,000 words long, which is around 246 to 307 ebook pages. The length, on the other hand, varies greatly among genres. At the end of the day, how much should you charge per ebook? The price of a fiction book depends on a variety of factors, including the length and subject matter. However, we recommend staying below $9.99 for full-length novels. To discover what gives you a better result, play with various pricing strategies over time. Many authors feel that their ideal price range is between $3.99 and $4. How much can you earn from ebooks? At the end of the day, it's largely subjective, since it depends on how hard you work into the content and marketing. But in general, you may make a full-time living self-publishing ebooks like many other businesses do. If you decide to go down the self-publishing route as a money-making business, make sure you do your homework and design a product that's tailored to sell. Once you've published around 10 to 20 ebooks, you may earn a respectable passive income. Let us know whether you've published any ebooks in the comments below and whether you have any good tips to share.